I liked the intensive. I thought it was a really good introduction to macrobiotics from Denny's perspective, and a lot of Kushi perspective, and it was sort of a broad-based overview of the whole approach to living, as they call it.
I was so interested and so enjoying and so loved the food and the connections with the people and learned so much, and I said, yes, I really have to go on, and that's how it happened.
I thought, okay, 1 weekend a month for a year, I can do that, and I really liked the idea that there were hands-on opportunities for cooking, and just the lectures and being one-on-one. I tend to learn in a better way that way.
One thing that Denny talks about is this whole orderly approach to life, and I've found that it's sort of a small statement that has a huge impact. So actually creating order out of one's eating habits and food and so on just has this ripple effect in every part of my life. So it's creating a sort of a orderliness and clarity that wasn't necessarily there before, and it's wonderful. My whole day has changed because of it, and I actually think clearer, feel better, I'm more effective, I'm more efficient in my job, and lo and behold, I've had a phenomenal blood test. So the health ramifications are priceless.
What I really think is so empowering about this whole experience is that you become in charge, knowingly how to take charge of yourself in terms of your health, how to do it, not just to hope everything's okay and not just to give yourself over to the medical field, but you learn to really understand, follow your instincts.
Health issues don't panic me. Knowing that it's not random, that it is, that there's a structure and a purpose and an organization, it's very comforting. So I think that there's a lot of anxiety that's gone that I don't even know I necessarily would have named as having had it as anxiety before.
But I've seen the whole group change. It's amazing. Everybody who's been in our group they've all changed, and it's hard to even put into words. But when we talk to each other, we can feel it and we can see it. It's sort of the brightness in the eyes and the clearness of the skin, and so a lot of us have shed some weight, and lots of weight, little bits of weight. Some of us are putting a little back on. But we're all changing through this program, and I think that's a huge gift. And we're all learning to see parts of ourselves that perhaps we haven't seen in quite some time.
So I would like to say I am so grateful to Denny and Susan and Lauren and Patrick and everyone here for really changing my life, for really helping me have a better life in all ways, physically, emotionally, spiritually, connected in terms of friendships with others. Yes, my deepest appreciation and gratitude.